Alright, so now we are moving on to the back end of your website. And here we come to the CMS login page. And here you will enter your login details that will be sent to you after completing your CMS training. And you will enter your login details, fill in the captcha and log in. Once logging in, you will land on your dashboard. And this includes when the most recent update was completed, the user who last logged in, then thirdly, the latest inquiries, which will show the most recently received inquiries users have submitted from your Contact Us page. These will also, of course, all be available from your email that is set up to receive these emails. But in case you delete them from your emails, they will be available here. You will also be able to access them via the Inquiries module in the menu on the left-hand side here.
Thank you for watching. If you'd like to check out our next video or view more videos, click the links at the top of the screen. And don't forget to hit subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you won't miss any more future videos.